Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. Welcome to Veda Janani Narayaniyam. From this Dasakam onwards, after the recitation with meanings, I have recorded the Dashakam 22 fully, only sloka for practice convenience. This will be followed in all the Dashakams. So, let's first see the meanings with shloka and continued with the full Dashakam chanting. Dashakam 22 is chanted in Vrittam Vamsastam, the story of Ajamila. Chanting this Dashakam keeps the mind away from undesirable activities. Shloka 1. Hey Krishna, in olden days there was a Brahmin called Ajamila. He became a householder and was sincerely following the path of righteous duties. Once, at the instruction of his father, he went to the forest and met a woman of bad conduct and lost his morals there. Ajamilo nama Mahisuраpuram Charan Vibho Dharma Pathan Grihashrami Guror Gira Kanana Metya Drishtavan Sudrushta Shilam Kulatam Madakulam Ajamilo nama Mahisurapura Charan Vibho Dharma Pathan Grihashrami Guror Gira Kanana Metya Drishtavan Sudrushta Shilam Kulatam Madakulam. Shloka 2. Though by nature Ajamila was peaceful and self-controlled, by coming under her infatuation and influence, he got attracted to her and abandoned his duties and led to a life of sinful acts. As he became old, he became highly fond of his son, named after you as Narayana Krishna. Swata prashantopi tada kritashayah swadharmam utsrujyataya samaraman adharmakari dashami bhavan punat dadhau bhavan namayute suteratim. Swata prashantopi tada kritashayah Swadharmam utsrujyataya samaraman Adharmakari dashami bhavan punat dadhau bhavan namayute suteratim. Shloka 3. Hey Krishna, during the time of Ajamila's death, he was terrified by 3 messengers of the god of death, Yama. He was frightened and called out his son's name, Narayana, due to his faint memory of the devotion he had shown to you in this earlier age. He called out his son bearing your name, Krishna. Samrityukale Yamaraja Kinkaran Bhayankaram Strin Abhilakshayan Bhiyam Puramana smriti vasana balat juhavanarayana namakam sutam samrityukale yamaraja kinkaran bhayankaram strin abhilakshayan bhiyam puramana smriti vasana balat Juhavanarayana namakam sutam. Shloka 4. Hey Krishna Guruvairappa, even though Ajamila was of bad conduct, he uttered the 4-letter word Narayana at the juncture of his death, which was your glorious name, though he did it to call his son immediately. By the grace of your name, the 4 messengers of yours appeared, having 4 arms and clothed in yellow silk, presented themselves before him, Krishna. Durashayasyapi tada tvanirgata tvadiyanamakshara vaibhavat पुरोभिपेतुर्भवदीय पार्षदाः चतुर्भुजा पीतपटा मनोहराः दुराशयस्यापि तदा त्वनिर्गतत्वदीयनामाक्षरमात्र वैभवात् पुरोभिपेतुर्भवदीय पार्षदाः चतुर्भुजा पीतपटा मनोहराः. Shloka 5. Ajamila was fastened to a rope and dragged by the messengers of the god of death. Your messengers advised that Ajamila be released and then released him forcefully. The messengers of Yama, having been prevented from doing their duty, told your messengers all about the sinful acts of Ajamila in the past. Amum cha sampashya vikarshato bhatan vimunchate tyarurudhur baladami nivaritaste cha bhavajjanaistada tadiya papam nikhilam nyavedayan. Amum cha sampashya vikarshato bhatan vimunchate tyarurudhur baladami nivaritaste cha bhavajjanaistada tadiya papam nikhilam nyavedayan. Shloka 6. Hey Krishna, your messengers said, hey Yamadutas, give up the sins. Should one be punished if he realizes and repents for his sins? Shouldn't you know this? Bhavantu papani khatam tu nishkrite krite pibho dandanamasti pandita na nishkriti kim vidita bhavadrasham iti prabho tvat purusha babhashire. Bhavantu papani katham tu nishkrite krite pibho dandanamasti pandita na nishkriti kim vidita bhavadrasham iti prabho tvat purusha babhashire. Shloka 7. Hey Guruvayurappa, your messengers told them that in the Shrutis and Smritis, as per the rules which are laid down, they absolve a person from sins, but do not curb the sinful tendency. But whereas the service of the Lord destroys both the sins and the sinful tendencies, Krishna. Shruti smritibhyam vihita vratadayah punanti papam nalunanti vasanam ananta sevato nikruntati dvayim iti prabho tvat purusha babhashire. Shruti smritibhyam vihita vratadayah punanti papam nalunanti vasanam ananta sevato nikruntati dvayim iti prabho tvat purusha babhashire. Shloka 8. Hey Guruvayurappa, your messenger said, the sins committed by Ajamila, even over a period of thousands of crores of years, have been erased by the utterance of the name of Hari, even though out of fear. Krishna. Anena bhojanma sahasrakotibhihi कृतेषु पापेष्वपि निष्कृति कृताम् यदग्रहीणाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे अनेन भोजन्म सहस्रकोटिभिः कृतेषु पापेष्वपि निष्कृति कृताम् यदग्रहीणाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे. Shloka 9. Krishna, your messengers continue to say, even out of ignorance, people take the name of Mukunda and it burns away all their sins. Such is its power. This is like fire burning the fuel, whether the fire is set intentionally or by accident, and a medicine curing a disease, whether it is administered with intention or by chance. Krishna. Nrinam abuddhyapi mukunda kirtanam dahatya gaughan mahimasya tadrishaha यथाग्निरेधांसि यदौषधं गदान् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे नृणाम् अबुद्ध्यापि मुकुन्द कीर्तनं दहत्य घौघान् महिमास्य तादृशः यथाग्निरेधांसि यथौषधं गदान् इति प्रभो त्वत्पुरुषा बभाषिरे. Shloka 10. Hey Krishna, being counseled by your messengers, Yama's messengers left Ajamila behind and went away. Your messengers also disappeared. Then Ajamila lived for some more time, remembering you in meditation. Thereafter, he was escorted by your messengers to your abode Vaikuntha. Krishna. Iti ritairyamya bhatairapasrute bhavat bhatanam cha gane tirohite bhavat smritim kanchana kalamacharan bhavat padam prapi bhavat bhatairasau. इति रीतैर्याम्य भटैरपाश्रुते भवद्भटानां च गणे तिरोहिते भवत्स्मृतिं कञ्चन कालमाचरन् भवत्पदं प्रापि भवद्भटैरसौ. Shloka 11. Hey Narayana, Yama, the god of death, became concerned at the narration of his messengers and taught them strictly that they should not go anywhere near those who are devoted at your feet. Hey Krishna, Guruvayurappa, you are such greatness. Please protect me also, Krishna. स्वकिङ्करावेदन शङ्कितो यमस्त्वदङ्घ्रिभक्तेषु न गम्यतामिति स्वकीयभृत्यान् अशिशिक्षदुच्चकैः सदेव वातालयनाथ पाहि माम्. स्वकिङ्किरावेदन शङ्कितो यमस्त्वदङ्घ्रि भक्तेषु न गम्यतामिति स्वकीयभृत्यान् अशिशिक्षदुच्चकैः सदेव वातालयनाथ पाहि माम्. सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् Govinda, Govinda. Full chanting of Dashakam 22. Ajamilo nama mahisura puracharan vibho dharma pathan grihashrami गुरोर्गिरा काननमेत्य दृष्टवान् सुदृष्टशीलां कुलटां मदाकुलाम् स्वतः प्रशान्तोऽपि तदा हृदाशयः स्वधर्ममुत्सृज्य तया समारमन् अधर्मकारी दशमी भवन् पुनः दधौ भवन्नामयुते सुते रतिम् समृत्युकाले यमराजकिङ्करान् भयङ्करां स्त्रीन् अभिलक्षयन् भिया पुरामनात्वत्स्मृतिवासना बलात् जुहावनारायणनामकं सुतम् दुराशयस्यापि तदा त्वनिर्गतत्वदीयनाम क्षरमात्रवैभवात् पुरोभिपेतुर्भवदीयपार्षदाः चतुर्भुजा पीतपटा मनोहराः अमुं च सम्पाश्य विकर्षतो भटान् विमुञ्चतेत्यारुरुधुर्बलादमी निवारितास्ते च भवज्जनैस्तदा तदीयपापं निखिलं न्यवेदयन् भवन्तु पापानि कथं तु निष्कृते कृतेऽपि भो दण्डनमस्ति पण्डिताः न निष्कृति किं विदिता भवादृशाम् इति प्रभो त्वत् पुरुषा बभाषिरे श्रुतिस्मृतिभ्यां विहिता व्रतादयः पुनन्ति पापं न लुनन्ति वासनाम् अनन्तसेवा तु निकृन्तति त्वयिम् इति प्रभो त्वत् पुरुषा बभाषिरे अनेन भोजन्म सहस्रकोटिभिः कृतेषु पापेष्वपि निष्कृति कृता यदग्रहीन्नाम भयाकुलो हरेः इति प्रभो त्वत् पुरुषा बभाषिरे नृणाम् अबुद्ध्यापि मुकुन्द कीर्तनं दहत्य गौघान् महिमास्य तादृशः यथाग्निरेदांसि यतौषधं गदान् इति प्रभो त्वत् पुरुषा बभाषिरे इतीरितैर्याम्रभटैरपाश्रुते भवद्भटानां च गणे तिरोहिते भवत्स्मृतिं कञ्चन कालमाचरन् भवत्पदं प्रापि भवद्भटैरसौ स्वकिङ्करावेदन शङ्कितो यमस्त्वदङ्घ्रिभक्तेषु न गम्यतामिति स्वकीयभृत्यान् अशिशिक्षदुच्चकैः सदेव वातालयनाथ पाहि माम् सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.